So, welcome to my Wishman's vlog channel, second episode, the second vlog. So, today the vlog will be broadcasted in English medium. There is a specific reason for this, and I'll expose it at the end of the vlog. So, what is perfectionism? Perfectionism is actually that you need to do something very perfect up to your expectations, and then you keep on thinking like a visionary, and you don't really act on it because you are still defining your margins, like how should it be done, up to which level that you need to do this thing. So let's say that now previous vlog was pretty random, and I just needed to do this for about 2.5 years back, and I was not doing it because I was thinking that I'm not perfect enough to do it. But doing the first vlog was the pretty hardest thing. Hi guys, welcome to Wishman's vlog second episode. Today we will be talking about ditching the habit of trying to be a perfectionist. It's basically about ditching the habit of perfectionism. About perfectionism, now you know this thing, like you are trying to be perfect in everything you are going to do, and at least the things that you hope to do. So how to ditch this habit of trying to be a perfectionist? Basically, one motto that I keep following is actually move fast and break things. Like the Zuckerberg was telling for the Facebook team initially. It's like this. Now, when you move fast, you have to keep doing things very rapidly and take decisions important to do the things very rapidly, and then try to make some results. If not, then iterate over the thing that you are already been doing, and then move forward. Why break things? To break things, you have to keep taking risk inwards, right? If you are not going to take any risks, then you can't move forward rapidly while breaking things. So break things and move forward. To do this, you have to follow a certain techniques like trial and error. Trial and error is always a better thing because by doing trial and error, it is more practical than keep thinking on something to do. Let's say now my previous blog was pretty random, and there wasn't any introduction for the channel, so you guys had already watched it and already gave me some feedback regarding the channel, and also that first vlog that was pretty random. So that was my one of the trials that I did previously. So it was very hard, and I think I did it very well as far as I can imagine of, because I didn't keep thinking about it. So trial and error, and do iterative improvements to your things that you hope to do. So the next thing is actually do the right thing versus doing the thing right. So this is a pretty tricky situation. Now you have to do the things right, and also you have to do the right thing. Both are actually important ends, like they are valid things to consider about. The thing which matters mostly is actually trying to keep balancing the both ends, right? Because if you keep thinking and trying to do the things right at first, you might end up doing nothing, because you don't know how to do the things right. But if you try to do some things that are right, then you can end up in trying to do things better and better over again. So the key point here is to take away is actually try to keep the balance in between. It's best approach to survive in the long run, and if you really need to thrive, then actually you can try to do the things right over the time. When you get to know the things that you are already doing. So why perfectionism is actually bad? Well, the perfectionism is bad in a way because it fuels procrastination. Now, if we think so much about a thing to do again and again over a time, and we don't take any decisions to do it, but we still try to think the perfect way to do something without actually doing that thing, then we end up being like procrastinators. Like we don't do the actual thing, but we delay doing the things. So this is one of the pretty bad things about perfectionism. Then why trial and error is better? Trial and error always lets you improve your things, whatever the things that you are doing. over the time, iteratively, because you try something and then fails. Then you find the errors, and then in the next iteration you can actually resolve those errors and move forward. Then again try the new findings that you have already come up with. So this is why trial and error is better and more practical. Yeah, I told you now you will notice something different from the previous blog, which is I'm doing this blog in English. So why did I do that is actually my English is not that perfect, I know that, because I'm not a native speaker. So there are a lot of a huge space to improve. So I wanted to do this in English because I know that my English speaking English is not that perfect, and I wanted to face that. The other thing is now this Wishman blog, the whole concept is pretty random, but I've been thinking about doing a YouTube channel for a long time, like about 3 years back, but I couldn't do it because of this habit of trying to be a perfectionist, which I'm not once again in the future. I'm ditching that habit because I need to do more things than trying to be a perfectionist. So within this Wishman blog, I hope to do many things like doing handicraft projects, and then do travel blogs, then do food reviews in time to time, and also some cooking tips which I'm using. So because of this, I think you guys can get more content in the future. So if you take a look around my current office room, it looks like a pretty mess. There are no much valuable things here, but there are pretty much stuff going on around these things, and tied up the place, and I will get another vlog about it when time permits. So until then, stay tuned. Thank you.